Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making minced meat stew. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of beef broth, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion diced, 1 medium tomato diced, 1 carrot chopped, 2 potatoes cubed, 1/2 cup of green beans. You can use canned, fresh, or frozen. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 large garlic cloves minced. I have ginger here. I used an inch and I grated it. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. In a pan over medium heat, we're going to add in our olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now you want to add in your onion, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic and also your grated ginger. And we're going to let that saute for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in our ground beef. And you want to break down your ground beef to make sure there's no large pieces. You want to make sure everything is well combined. And we're going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to turn off your heat. We're going to remove our ground beef and drain it of all excess grease. Once you drain your ground beef, you want to return it back to your pan. Now we're going to add our potatoes, our green beans, and our carrots. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that for about a minute. Make sure everything is well combined. Next, we're going to go ahead and make space in the center. And we're going to add our tomatoes. Now we're going to add our tomato paste also. Now we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now we're going to cover our pan and we're going to let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to remove our lid. All you're going to do is go ahead and mix that up. Now we're going to add in our beef broth. You're going to also add in your ground black pepper, your paprika, and also our cumin. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and give it a taste to see if you need any more salt or pepper in it. And now that it's coming to a light boil, we're going to put our lid over top and we're going to lower our heat to medium low. And we're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our minced meat stew. After 20 minutes, your potatoes and your veggies should be soft. If not, you can give it an extra 5 minutes. Okay guys, now all you want to do is put some of your parsley flakes over top for some added color. It smells so delicious, and I guarantee you will enjoy this. You can add this over top of some white rice. Just going to put some parsley flakes on top. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.